Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm on another project, another DIY. So my kids started school last week, September 16th, and I know everyone's done these videos of how you should, turn your living room, dining room, have like a homeschool section, and so I wanted to do that, but I wanted to wait because I knew the school supply list was going to come late. I still haven't gotten really a school supply for my older two, but I got for my younger two, and they also have laptops. Now my younger two don't have laptops yet because they're waiting for the school's waiting for them to come in. So they've been using our desktop and my laptop. And how about the desktop died the day before school start? It just crashed. I was like, oh my gosh, it's not the time. But praise God, I had extra laptop, so they were using that, and for 3 days I worked on it and I got it fixed through the help of Costco Concierge. That's a tip. If you ever want to get electronics, great warranty is Costco. I always get my laptops, TVs, all my electronics usually come from Costco because they have a great return policy, and they help me through getting the computer working. So instead of me having to pay $100 for a new computer, I only had to, give up my time. So, but what I'm doing today is that my kids, because I have 4 kids, and the laptops that they have for school, I make them only use it strictly for school. No, they can't go on it for gaming or YouTube, anything like that. Strictly for school. So what I've been doing is I've had it in this plastic organizer bin, and it just has cords and their headphones, everything's just jammed in there. And so I decided I need to come up with a better system to keep it more organized. So I've been researching. I finally came up with something, and I got some things. So I wanted to share with you today how I did this. Again, I got 4 kids. I have a 3rd grader, 5th grader, 8th grader, and a 10th grader, and we are doing full remote with our school district, and it's going pretty well. My 3rd grader, by day 3, he was literally bawling his eyes out. He's like, I don't want to do remote learning. I want to go back to school. So, but we just take it one day at a time, because I know all of you guys, we're all in the same boat. Either you're doing hybrid or remote, whatever it may be, just hang in there. Just, don't worry about tomorrow. Forget about yesterday. Just worry about today and just take it one day at a time. So, again, my name is Nadine. If you have never come to see my videos before, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. And with enough said, let's jump on in. This is the bin that I was talking about that I keep the kids' laptops in. Now, all of them are not here because some of them are currently in class. But I kept their headphones, the charger cords, and the thing is that I only have one socket over here, so I need to get a surge protector so I can charge multiple things, but I think I've come up with a solution. So this is the card I have. I've had this, and I got this at Home Goods, and it cost, let me just take it off, let me get easier on this. It's a lid rack, and I paid $4.99 for it. So what I plan on doing is using zip ties I got from Target. That's what they look like. Zip ties. And because it has a mesh on the bottom, well, this mesh, I'm going to slip them through. As you can see, the zip ties were a little too wide for the hole, so I had to get a pair of pliers and just fish them through and just pull it, but it still worked. What I gotta do is cut these off, and then I'm going to put the power strip here. I was actually going to use zip ties to tie this on, but then I realized I had not power strips, wow. I had command strips, so I decided to put those on instead at the bottom. I put on the bottom because my socket is so close to the floor, so it works out nicely though. So here it is. I truly love it. I love the way it looks. I love the fact that the dividers, the bars are up high. It's not short and it can hold almost any size laptop, which is really good. And it's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So I think it looks great. Over there I put a pencil sharpener, and down here I put all the kids' headphones. And down here is their dry erase boards and dry erase markers, which I really need to use a lot during homeschooling. But I think it looks great. Now back here you can see the cords, but I really don't care that you can see the cords because this looks better than what was in that box. Okay, so that's it. Again, at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters, because I'm happy and I love it. And like I said, you have to think outside the box when it comes to these things, because you know, you could easily buy some type of fancy laptop, you know, that holds a whole bunch of laptops on Amazon for a pretty penny, but that, I already had the cart, and I had the zip ties, and that rack that I got that's meant for pot lids, I got HomeSense, which is like a Home Goods. I don't know, do you guys have that? Let me know down below. Do you guys have HomeSense? Because HomeSense and Home Goods are the exact same. They sell the exact same stuff almost, and exact same price. And where I live, where there's a Home Goods, like 5 doors down, there's a HomeSense. So I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. No. Anyway. So I got that pot lid holder for $4.99. So in actuality, this cost me $5. You know me, I'm all about saving money and to be creative and yet still be pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please again hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, it helps my channel. And until we meet again guys, have a very blessed day. Bye.